Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Recently new official leaked marketing materials of the new upcoming Motorola Edge 70 Pro revealed its design. According to the latest available data, we are now looking at the leaked renders of the Edge 70 Pro, showing the smartphone in 3 new color options with massive upgrades and features. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Motorola is gearing up to expand its next premium portfolio with 3 new upcoming smartphones. The Moto Edge 70 Pro, the Moto Razr 70, and the Moto Razr 70 Ultra. We already know many things about the Razr 70 phones, but what about the Edge 70 Pro? Today, we bring you the very first look at the upcoming Motorola Edge 70 Pro. One of these models features a wooden design on the back cover, but there's no confirmation on whether it's a real wood texture or just a design. However, the news source reports that the other 2 models are called Pantone Titan and Pantone Zinfandel. It also claims that the blue version's back panel has a nylon-like tailored fabric finish, while the maroon version has a matte red brushed finish. According to a recent leak by ex-user, the phone may also be available in green, with a satin luxe finish and a marble finish. Additionally, Motorola has reportedly adopted the tagline, "Seize the Night," for the Pro model, hinting at its camera and low-light photography capabilities. The new Moto Edge 70 Pro will feature a quad-curved display, minimal bezels, a bigger flashlight, with more rounded corners. Moving to the sides, the right side has a volume rocker and a power button, and the AI key is available on the left. The back of the phone is reminiscent of the recently launched Edge 70 Fusion. The phone will come with a Sony Litia camera and get super zoom support. The new upcoming Motorola Edge 70 Pro cleared Brazil's Anatel certification last month, giving us a glimpse at its specs: 5G support, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi 6E, NFC, a sizable 6500 mAh battery capacity, with 90 watts fast charging speed support. Motorola hasn't divulged anything about the Edge 70 Pro yet. However, we expect the smartphone to go official this month, at the end of April. The price of the smartphone is expected to be around $500. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.